In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a real estate AI agent in n8n. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a working AI agent capable of handling inquiries from potential buyers or renters, making your real estate business more efficient and responsive. Let's dive right in. First, open n8n. It's a powerful automation tool that makes it easy to integrate different services and create automated workflows. Once you have n8n opened, go ahead and click on New Workflow. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to define the sequence of actions in your real estate AI agent. Give this new workflow a title that makes sense for what we're building. Let's name it Real Estate AI Agent. Our initial task is to add a chat trigger. This will serve as the starting point for our workflow, capturing any inquiries or messages from potential clients. Look for the chat trigger node in the options and add it to your workflow space. By doing this, we're creating an entry point for those interested in real estate, where they can ask common questions like, "Show me 3-bedroom homes under $500,000, or "Is this property still available?" and even, "Can I schedule a viewing this weekend?" Moving on to the next step, we'll integrate an AI agent. Adding this node is crucial as it processes and responds to the incoming messages. Place the AI agent node into your workflow and ensure it's connected to the chat trigger. This linkage allows the AI agent to interpret user requests and intelligently determine the next steps. Whether it needs to search property listings, book an appointment, or send a follow-up message, the AI agent will efficiently handle these tasks. Now we need to connect a chat model to give our AI the ability to understand and generate human-like text. You'll attach your preferred large language model, or LLM, to this node. Some excellent options available include OpenAI, Google Gemini, Anthropic Claude, Grok, or Allama for local setups. Each of these models offers unique strengths, so select the one that best fits your needs. After adding the chat model, it's essential to configure your API credentials. This step is vital as it grants your application access to utilize the LLM's capabilities. You'll also need to select a suitable model version, ensuring it's compatible with the type of queries expected from your real estate clients. Before wrapping up, double-check that each node is connected correctly and that the necessary configurations are precise and up to date. Testing the workflow is always a wise step to confirm that everything runs seamlessly. And that's it. You've now built a functional real estate AI agent in n8n. This automation will streamline communication, saving time for both you and your clients by quickly addressing inquiries and facilitating real estate transactions. Thanks for following along. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy automating!